Professor Panda, wake up! Wake up!
What's going on here? Welcome, scholars. I'm Professor Panda, and you are in my laboratory. You and I will be exploring today. What are we exploring, you may ask? Science, of course. Scholars, technology is just magic we don't understand yet. In a last experiment, I showed you some magic. Now I will reveal the technology to make it happen. Scholars, our adventure today will teach you magic that you can use to impress your friends. Let's go! It seems I'm forgetting something. What is it? Oh, yeah. Now to teach you. But how can we make this experiment even better? I've got it. Once you master the basics, anything can be used as an object to make disappear. The key to this trick is timing and showmanship. The key is to make it appear as if one hand has taken the die from the fist. Keeping the object in your fist hidden while looking for your wand in the other pocket. Drop the die. And the impossible just became possible.
Yeah!
Scholars, you and I had fun today doing the impossible. Remember, science can always be useful with a little imagination. Next time, we learn more magic. Nothing is impossible, scholars.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Remember, if you liked our videos, we loved exploring with you. Don't forget to visit our social media pages and subscribe to our videos to watch more from us. See you next time so we can explore and have more adventures.